make sure your lever's clean as well. Now this particular point, it might be worthwhile to take a little bit of either grease for the long term or silicone for a shorter period. Just a little bit in around the holes here that it pivots on. A little bit on here. See, as the follower is threaded in, sorry, the spring and this bit here, you thread it in this direction, goes round, round, and then comes up, and it's got a bar here, and as this bar slides up and you get to sort of the last BB, it pushes the this bar down, which in turn pushes the other bar up, which is what raises the magazine catch and pushes it off. Stay. Right. So that one's in position now. And then we'll put this one back in on this side, even though it come on the other side. So what I mean by as the follower comes up, operates the lever. So your BBs are coming up, getting to the last ones, it pushes that lever down there, and now this is what obviously activates pushes it up and switches both the trigger block off and blocks the taper plate. Alright. So that's fairly clean now. Notice how we haven't put any lubrication inside the, I think you can do, you can obviously lubricate this little bad boy and that little bad boy. I don't think you need to drench it too much. If you don't want to take the magazines apart, obviously you can push the follower down and squirt some in there, that'll do it, and then squirt around the latch area, but this is really your best way. So now to pop him in there. It's important that the big bit at the bottom. Alright, now we close these bad boys back up. Now remember, you can close these up without having to put the spring in just yet because of the trapdoor, whereas another mag you may have to close it all up in one swoop. So the screws back in, and the lever operating. Bring it down. do is feed in the follower. Remember, it's only can go one way around because obviously this panel here faces outwards, and then when you line all that up in a straight line, this latch here has to drop in through there. So lower him in. There he goes, just slide him in, feed him all the way around, stopping it springing back out as you do it. And we get to the last bit, just keep feeding. Keep feeding, use the latch and the spring guide, that's what it's for, to guide. Drop it in there, see how it's now flush, take your screw, pop it back in there. There we go, that's the spring in. And down. It's got jam somewhere. Push that follower back up. It's getting caught somewhere. So we'll put that back in there. Just open up just slightly a few of these in case it's too tight and binding. Alright, let's just ping it all the way around now and kick the follower up. See the follower sticking up and then this lever here sticking up. No, it tells you that this thing's gone all the way around, so it might have been that it was too tight or just slightly catching in a particular place, something we couldn't really see, if you know what I mean, without taking it off. We didn't want to take it off, so we just slightly loosen it up just in case it was binding, and then we can put it back down. We'll just slightly do these up. Move these up. Do them a little less tight this time, just nip tight. That's all of them. Alright, that's the follower working properly now.